are here to get information to make probably the most significant decision of your lives to date. The future of the workforce is driven by a set of megatrends. Those megatrends differ, but one thing is certain. These megatrends are all driven by technology and technological disruptions. We at the Nanyang Business School play in this area and play it well because we are a business school in a technological university. There are very few business schools in a technological university at the top ranks of universities worldwide. A business school in a technological university, of course, will develop business leaders, but these business leaders will be cognizant of technology, the role technology plays in solving business problems, and number two, be very comfortable with the evolving technological trends.